Alright, buddy. Alright,
What's up, everybody? In this episode, we actually remembered to bring the bodywork stuff, so...
By we, he means him.
Yeah, me. And I almost forgot again. So we're going to finish this hatch up, and then we're going to start working on the engine bay. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to start welding up all these little pinholes. Let's see if I could find any. There's like one there, one there, a couple over there. Going to weld them up, grind them down. Get ready for that hoe down. Yee-haw!
What?
Respect my pronouns. Protected. Go ahead, try to get to it now, dude. Ah! That's why pull-out game's strong, dude. Don't ever use these things.
Not for you.
Oh yeah, so anyways, I cut this out. Gonna trace it, put it in here. Yeah. I have this part cut out. I have this part cut out. Now it's time to put them two together. What's up? Just doing some welding. You know what time it is. Alright guys, got it all welded up, all grinded down. It's looking a little dicey right here, but it gets covered, so, you know. And it's on the inside of the panel, so whatever. But yeah, it's good. And patched up. This one's welded up, patched up. So now I'm just going to throw some primer on it, and we'll move on to the other problem areas. What do you got to say about that, Casey?
Nothing.
Alright, what about you? Your dad, yes, you.
Alright, so I'm going to wire wheel all this rust off this cowl, and we're going to be getting it ready for paint. Alright, so I've already scuffed this up. Started sanding down some rust. There's a few spots there. There's all over the side right here. Got that all around down to metal. Not bad.
Casey, what are we doing?
We're moving the car.
How are we moving it?
On a pallet.
What's the pallet on?
A creeper. A plastic creeper.
We put the pallet on the creeper, and we're gonna put the car on the pallet on the creeper.
See what happens.
And try to rotate it. Alright, we got it. It was sketchy, and we'll probably won't do that again, but
Prove it.
it's here. It's saving some space. We unfortunately dented. I don't know if you can see it on the camera right here. Yeah, you can see it right here. We put a little dent. So I'm gonna have to come in with my trusty, dusty, paintless dent repair kit that I bought online. So I bought this kit on Amazon, and I've been dying to try it out.
Very organized.
So I got, like, you know, this little fucking slide hammer. And this thing for pulling dents and stuff. So I'm gonna try to get this little ding that we put in here out and see what happens. Our boy Danzig's here.
Oh, man.
What up, dude?
What up, dude?
What up?
Danny's finally on Initial Dweebs. You bring a beer over?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Came to party. You gonna push this thing across the finish line?
Probably. It'll probably break down.
7AG, no shit.
No shit. What?
What's your YouTube?
Danny Ziegler.
Danny Ziegler.
My name.
I'll link it in the description. What's going on with this thing?
What's going on with this thing? It's slow as fuck. It's a Corolla. I spent way too much fucking money on it to make like 160 horsepower.
So what do you got all done to the motor?
It's 7AG, which for people that don't know, it's a 4AG cylinder head with a 7A FE block and crank. So it's basically a stroker build. Makes it a 1.8 liter. 20 valve ITBs. It's built internals, so it's higher compression. It's got 6 zip ties.
Zip tie mod.
Dope.
It hasn't been on the dyno yet, but I'm guessing somewhere around 160 to the tires. So.
Dope. This car he got from a grandma and it was automatic and it only had like 49,000 miles when he bought it, and it has 68,000 original miles right now. And the interior on this thing is so freaking clean, it's insane.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
no,
my boy.
boy.
Sponsored in part by Pacifico. Is it Pacifico or Pacifica? Pacifico.
Pacifico.
Yeah.
All right, so we got seatbelts here. Pretty much universal 3-point. And we're gonna be throwing them in here today. Nothing too special. Justin's getting the seat out. We're gonna start working on welding some tabs up to the cage and getting them all prepped and ready, so we don't have to worry about that later.
All right, Sage was kind enough to vacuum the entire car out because Sage likes things clean.
And also wire brush all the surface rust that developed in there in the last, like, however many months it's been sitting since we did anything with the floor pan.
So right now we're gonna wire this off, and then we're gonna wire it down there so we can build tabs to bolt the seatbelts. This here, and this goes here. Where the fuck does this go?
Yeah.
Back.
What's the square root of bitch
here.
tits?
All right, so what's going on?
We're fucking shitty. We suck at puzzles. I can't dance. I don't know karate. Face it, we're never gonna make it.
Breaking news. We still haven't figured it out.
Okay, so if it was like this,
Shit, that's it.
like that right there.
That's it. Then you fucking come out.
We figured it out. Check this seatbelt. Perfect.
I'm gonna say right here.
Don't
it's probably
fuck this up, dude. That is the best sound in the world.
Alright, just unbuckle yourself. So we'll do this. We'll test fit this again one more time after we build the tab.
I'm out.
Alright, guys. We fucked up. Show them. Show them. What's going on here? So the seatbelts
No lock.
are cheap as fuck and like basically work
Full lock.
sometimes. So basically, you're taking a gamble when you get in a wreck. It's like, it might work, it might not. I mean, they were really cheap, and we took a gamble on them, but there's pieces falling out of them. So, everybody on YouTube, I'm gonna link these in the description. All right, do not buy these seatbelts.
Yeah.
When we first got them, this cracked. Right? And now they don't fucking work. So save your life. Don't buy these seatbelts. That one's locking. Huh?
Can I take one of these apart?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see what's going
This
on.
is the half-working one, so I'm gonna leave that one alone, and I'm gonna take this one apart by breaking it. I need a Phillips.
I'm gonna sell these working seatbelts.
You just killed someone.
Just kidding.
This wheel shattered, dude. Look at this.
Oh my god. Like I said, I repeat, I'm going to put a link in the description. Do not fucking buy these seatbelts. Do not buy these seatbelts under any circumstances.
Holy shit.
Yeah, what Danny was fucking with it, and like
The wheel,
parts like falling out of it.
the wheel that is responsible for locking the seatbelt to save your life is made out of plastic.
So is this?
All right, everybody. As you probably have seen in the videos before, this shop was always super messy, and Casey and Sage and I
Yeah, so
fucking busted ass. Like, look at this. There used to be the ZX there, gone. This 280 used to be there, obviously, as you've seen before. We moved it over here because next Thursday, Casey is gonna be in a shaving cream commercial, grinding on this stuff, and you'll see ads for it on Amazon and shit, whatnot. But basically, it's super clean in here, and we have all the room in the world to work on everything. All right, everybody, that's a wrap. We didn't get shit done, but the shop is clean, and you got to meet our motherfucking boy Danny Ziegler, the exclusive.